Unit number 2, shopping. Unit number 2, lesson 1, lost. Read the story. A. Read the story. Mommy, where are you? What's your name? I am Fiza. Where's mommy? There. Here I am. Mommy, thank you. Goodbye.